Push for money return twice. 1, 2, and then I'm gonna fucking.
啊！干你吵死啊！啊！Half a beer full.
Oh, God.
Y'all said hydrogen peroxide cleans the windows the best, so y'all said to just dump it on there, let it go for a while. I can already hear it sizzling. It's bubbling or something. I don't know if that's supposed to happen. I mean, it is looking pretty clean, though, so it might be pretty...
Yeah, hi Gary. I've just seen your advert in the newsagent's window.